How to fix MeetMe app login problem, MeetMe login issue. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix the MeetMe app login problem, MeetMe login issues. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're having issues with the MeetMe application that maybe you downloaded and maybe you want to log in, sometimes it could be due to your incorrect credentials. So you want to make sure it says, if you're trying to log in from here, this is not how you log in. This is just for creating an account. So to log in, if you look at the bottom, it says already have an account, login. So you want to just tap on login option and just make sure to enter the email and the password of your MeetMe account and then hit the login option. It will not log in due to incorrect credentials. So if your password is mistaken, then you can tap on forgot password option to enter your email address and reset your password instead. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.